Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Patty's ISO. In this ISO, I share videos on travel vlogs, business, and of course lifestyle. So today, from the title of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a typing certificate online for free. Yes. These days, typing can seem like it's not such an important skill. For example, we are becoming more increasingly used to talking to our machines with advanced technology being made by maybe Google Home, Alexa, Siri, and so on. But typing remains a fundamental skill, and it is still one of the most important computer skills that you can ever learn. So learning to type fast and accurately will help you in many ways in life, and it should be considered an essential skill for anyone who sees themselves working with a computer in some capacity or in the future. In this video, I'm going to be showing two websites in which you can be able to get this typing, to up your typing game, and also to get your typing certificate. Yeah, so stay tuned. So the first website we're going to be looking at is called typing.com. Teaching the fundamental of technology, keyboard, digital literacy, coding, powerful district classroom, free for everyone. So you can use extensive keyboard curriculum and so much more. So this website is very friendly, it's very easy to use. So once you go under the student bar, you're going to see typing lessons, typing tests, typing games, digital literacy, coding, curriculum. So we are more concerned on taking a typing test. So you go ahead and click on the typing test. Once the page is open, you're gonna see take a free typing test. It shows you the timed test. For example, do you want to go for a 1-minute test, 3-minute test, 5-minute test, or page test, and so we're going to, since we're working on taking a typing test, we're going to be taking the first one. So I'm going to be taking this typing test for 1 minute. So let's get into typing and see how we perform. What's your WPM? WPM means word per minute. So take our 1 minute typing test to find out your typing speed. So all in all, you want to find out your typing speed. Yeah, so looking at the score, the typing test is complete, your 1 minute typing test. So I was able to type for 39. I was able to type 39 words per minute. This is my test result, typing test complete. So it says you typed the 1 minute typing test. Your speed was 39 words per minute with 98 accuracy. I could do better. So all you need to do is go ahead and print your certificate. But before you do that, make sure you sign up on the website. You enter your username, your password. Go ahead and create an account with them. Enter your username, your password, your email. It says it's optional, and also their private policy. You have to agree you are 13 years and above to be able to use this. And once you're done, you go ahead and print out your certificate. But before you do that, it says unable to print certificate. We do not know what name to display on your certificate. Please enter your name on the account setting. So I go back to account setting and I enter my first name, my last name, my current password, and I save changes and I update. Knowing your typing speed is very, very important because there are so many companies out there. There are so many online jobs, and I'll be sharing that soon. So you want to stick to this channel. You want to subscribe for more content like this. Our next website is called RataType. Yes, RataType is it's very easy website. So it's the second website you can use to create your certificate, and you see it's very user friendly. So all you need to do is once you open the website, you're gonna see start typing me, and you can go ahead and type me to find out how many words per minute you can type. Got 3 types of certification: platinum, gold, and silver. And with the platinum, the typing speed is 70 word per minute with a 99.5 accuracy speed. and also the gold 50 word per minute with 98.7%, silver 40 word per minute with 96.6%. so this is their certification. What you need to do is go ahead and take a typing test. You say, do you like the typing test? You can thank us and of course donate. So you start typing, you click on the start typing now. You click on the start typing now and you start typing. So typing is very, very important when it comes to businesses. There are so many businesses, there are so many online jobs that need typing certification that you can just upload and also boost your resume. So learning these skills, of course, it's free. It does not entail too much time. I typed 39 word per minute with a 97.7 accuracy. It is good, but could do better. That's nice. You almost got a certificate. You need to register if you want to get a certificate. Also, you will get access to all lessons which help to improve your typing skills. Yeah, so as you can see that I went ahead to get my certificate. Of course, you need to sign in. So I went ahead and signed up, and that is why you could see Nduma certificate issued to Nduma. You can go ahead and print it. And that is that for today's video. If you found this video interesting, please do leave a comment down below. And if you love content like this, please do not forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything around for this. So I'm going to be sharing with you in my subsequent videos on how to make money from just typing words. So you want to stick around until my next video. See you. Bye bye.